One of my friends starts to hate me. What do I have to do? It's always tough when a friend starts to distance themselves or show signs of animosity towards you. Here are some steps you can take to try to address the situation. 1. Talk to your friend. It's important to communicate and address the issue head-on. Approach your friend in a calm and respectful manner and ask them what's going on. Listen to their perspective and try to understand why they might be feeling this way. Don't be defensive, and avoid getting into an argument. 2. Apologize if necessary. If you've done something to upset your friend, apologize sincerely and take responsibility for your actions. Acknowledge their feelings and let them know that you value their friendship. 3. Give them space. Sometimes people just need some time to process their emotions. Respect your friend's need for space, but let them know that you're there for them if they want to talk. 4. Be patient. Rebuilding a friendship takes time, so be patient and don't expect things to go back to normal overnight. It may take some effort on your part to rebuild trust and repair the relationship. 5. Consider seeking outside help. If you're struggling to resolve the situation on your own, consider seeking the help of a therapist or counselor who can provide you with guidance and support. Remember, it's important to prioritize your mental health and well-being. If your friend's behavior continues to be hurtful or toxic, it may be necessary to distance yourself from the relationship and focus on surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people.